Presenting the JBL T205BT Pure Bass Wireless Metal Earbud Headphones. This in-ear wireless headphone comes with integrated microphone to enable hands-free call even while on move. It comes with a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery that supports up to 6 hours of playtime. This JBL headphone is lightweight and features a flat, tangle-free cable. The ergonomically shaped earbuds give a comfortable fit in the ear for long listening hours. This headphone comes with 12.5mm drivers that punches out deep and powerful JBL pure bass sound for an immersive audio experience. It also comes with Bluetooth connectivity for streaming music from any Bluetooth-enabled device. The headphone comes with a 3-button remote that lets you control music playback as well as answer calls. It is available in 4 color variants: black, blue, gold and rose gold. Inside the box, you will find 1 pair of T205BT headphones and warranty card. Presenting the JBL C200SI in-ear headphones. This in-ear wired headphone comes with noise-cancelling microphone and Google Voice Assistant for managing your calls and music. The JBL C200SI wired headphone is ultra-lightweight and comes with a metallic finish. It also comes with 3 different sizes of earplugs with an angled fit, making it more comfortable for all-day wear. The headphone comes with 9mm drivers that deliver JBL's signature sound. It comes with a 3.5mm gold-plated jack, making it compatible with any device that carries support to accommodate the 3.5mm jack. The gold plating on the jack provides improved connectivity and better data transfer. The JBL headphone comes with 1-button universal remote with microphone. This headphone is available in gunmetal, ice grey and mystic blue color variants. Inside the box, you will find 1 pair of JBL C200SI headphones, ear tips, small, medium, large, and warranty card. This product comes with standard brand warranty.
Presenting JBL Endurance Run Sweatproof Sports In-Ear Headphones. These in-ear wired headphones have magnetic earbuds for easy cable management when not in use. With a flip hook design, the headphones adapt to an in-ear or behind-the-ear fit for added convenience. A comfortable combination of flex-soft ear tips and twist-lock technology means these buds will not hurt your ears or fall out. These headphones are lightweight and ergonomically built to ensure a secure fit and stability. These JBL Endurance headphones have an inline microphone and remote. The headphones are IPX5 sweat-proof. These JBL headphones come in black, blue, red, teal and yellow color variants. The product comes with a standard brand warranty.